How to use your Braun Nasal Aspirator. Let's get started. Remove the rear cover and pop in 2 AA batteries. Choose from 2 comfortable tips. Then attach the tip. This part is very important. Add a few drops of saline solution and gently massage the nose. Wait at least 1 minute to soften dry mucus before using device. Insert the tip gently into one nostril, securely and comfortably using a circular motion. Do not hold still. Choose between 2 suction settings. It's that easy. Be careful not to overfill. To clean, twist off the cup and remove the tip. Clean with warm water. You can also put detachable parts in the dishwasher. Do not get the bottom part wet, then wipe clean. The Braun Nasal Aspirator is simple to use, comfortable, and easy to clean. It's the little things that matter most.